The following video will show you how to set up a Falcon GSM communicator to work with an IDS805 panel. Make sure that the Falcon unit has a firmware version of 4.13 or later. For the IDS805, you will need to connect an IDS805 FSK keybus interface module. Wire the IDS805 FSK keybus module to the keypad bus on the alarm panel. The green wire goes to the data terminal, D, the yellow wire goes to the clock terminal, C, and the black wire goes to negative terminal. Connect the 4-pin molex connector to the serial port of the Falcon. Set the serial port format on the Falcon unit to IDS805 FSK keybus. To do this, remove power from the Falcon. Hold down the push button and reapply power. Push the button to cycle through the panel serial port format options until you reach the IDS805 FSK keybus format, indicated by capital E. Release the button. The Falcon will remember the new serial port format. No programming is needed for the panel to work with the My Falcon app. The phone app will only work properly if the Quick Arm option is enabled on the IDS805 panel in location 12. This feature is enabled by default. To connect the panel to the My Falcon app, go to your phone's App Store. Search for My Falcon and tap Install. Once downloaded, open the app. Scroll through the welcome screens by tapping the arrow and select Get Started. Tap Sign Up and enter your personal details to create an account. Enter a password that is secure, but one that you will remember, and tap Submit. Log in with these new details. After reading through this notification, tap OK. Tap Add Panel. Once you've completed all the steps on the screen, tap Continue. Tap on Scan QR Code and scan the QR code found on the sticker at the back of the Falcon. Tap Confirm. Tap Continue. Tap to set device up. Enter your user code. This is the code you use to arm and disarm your panel on the keypad. My Falcon is just retrieving information from your panel. This should take no longer than 60 seconds. You're now at the partition screen where you can perform various actions on your alarm system. To test the app, arm and disarm the panel.